Okay, guys, now I'm gonna try this chicken is out of the oven, and you guys can see it. Now let's take a bite. You guys gotta try this at home. Oh, this is really soft. It's really soft, guys. Let's try it. Mm. Oh my god, that is so good. It's so delicious, guys. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. This is the chicken, guys, and it's pretty much it. Okay, guys, now this is it with rice. Look at that, guys. Don't you just want to eat it all together? It looks so good and so yummy. I can't wait to chomp into this. Now, you guys gotta try this at home. Remember, make it how you like it. Bye bye.